What does perfect even mean?
Okay, so I prime my eyelid with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee, and I'm gonna go in with a brown shadow. This is from Makeup Geek or Coastal Scents. Let's see. This one is from Coastal Scents. It's a Chocolatier shadow. This is one of their single shadows. So we're just gonna place that shadow all over the eye, in the crease and on the lid. And this brush is Wet n Wild blending brush, $1 at the Dollar Tree. You're welcome. Thank me later.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
Also, let's just ignore my nails. We just won't talk about it. My birthday's next Friday, so I'm just gonna wait until then to look like a decent human being. So just ignore my horrendous nails for now. And I'm just gonna take a Morphe brush and just blend out the edges.
It's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down.
I'm gonna use the Salon Perfect 614 lashes.
Get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute.
I'm gonna moisturize using Clinique's Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel Moisturizer. And then I'm gonna prime with the MAC Skin Refine Zone treatment on my nose, because that's where I get oily. And then for my smile lines that I hate them, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
I'm gonna mix two foundations. I'm gonna mix the Maybelline Superstay foundation in 355 and the Maybelline Matte and Poreless in 370. So they just look like this. Under eye concealer, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me. This is in the shade 30. What shade is this? Yeah, I'm gonna use my Mercier translucent in medium deep. I just had to make sure I was saying the right thing. I'm just gonna set my nose with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder, so we don't get oily. Then I'm gonna bronze with the Black Radiance Contour Palette in medium to dark. The contour shade, this one, obviously. I'm gonna use Milani's Baked Blush in Luminoso. And I really love this stuff because it doubles as like a highlighter too. It's really, really pretty. So I just sprayed my face with Badescu facial spray, and I'm going to take a little bit of highlighter. This is the Maybelline Masterchrome in Molten Gold. So for lips, I'm taking MAC Chestnut Lip Liner, and I can't decide between these two colors. They're both NYX. I'm gonna try Abu Dhabi because I just realized that Rome, this one is actually metallic, so didn't know that, but that's okay. Un momento, por favor. Okay, I'm back. This is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.